Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we're setting you up for success for video marketing in 2019. Whether you're creating vlogs, tutorials, or product demos and reviews, video marketing is worth your time and investment. So what do the statistics tell us about the ROI of video marketing? According to research, video marketers get 66% more qualified leads per year, as well as achieve a 54% increase in brand awareness, and 94% of businesses see video as an effective tool. There's no need to wonder about the benefits of video marketing for business. But you may be wondering if video is a correct fit for your company. So who's using video marketing? According to statistics, 60% of B2B and B2C marketers use video for marketing. And 30% of B2B marketers say video will be key to content marketing success. Around 2/3 of marketers are using videos for marketing, and you can't afford to be left out. So how do consumers respond to video marketing? Studies show that 79% of consumers prefer watching a video to reading about a product, and 84% of consumers have bought something after watching a video. We know that consumers love video, but you've got to make it good and keep it short. Consider using a video pop-up the next time you create an opt-in. So what's the scoop on mobile video marketing? It turns out that more than half of all YouTube video consumption is on mobile devices. And we know that users spend 40 minutes a day on average watching YouTube on mobile devices. With so many potential customers consuming content on YouTube mobile, you can't pass up this opportunity to incorporate mobile as a key part of your video marketing strategy. And social video marketing has become stronger and stronger in the past few years. Facebook gets 8 billion video views daily, and Instagram Lives have become an integral part of many businesses' video marketing strategy. If your company is using social media marketing, you need a social video strategy. Our research into video marketing statistics suggests that video will be a great way to grow your network and customer base, not just this year, but in the future. 72% of marketers plan to use video this year, and 82% plan to spend more on video this year. Video marketing continues to evolve, and it's time to start using video so you can keep up. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for our free gift to you, 12 proven ways to convert abandoning visitors into subscribers. Learn how to unlock the highest revenues from each of your website visitors.